Hey guitar enthusiasts, welcome back. Lauren here, and in this lesson video we're going to do a play along of Bob Marley's Three Little Birds. Now this is not the official how-to lesson. If you want to learn how to play the song and the strumming patterns, I'll put a link up to the lesson video. In this video we're going to play through the song beginning to end. I will do one version and then I'll play a second version with maybe a slightly different strumming pattern, but the first one I usually do very simply. Now people always ask me, Lauren, do you have like printouts of these chord charts? Well, for this particular lesson, Three Little Birds, I do have a PDF you can download on Patreon. I'll put a link in the description below. If you just go make a little donation, you can get access to the PDF printout. So I've got my glasses on so that I can read the lyrics. So I'm just gonna start from the top. I'm gonna use a very simple strumming pattern. I'm just gonna do 4 down strums, all right? So this is a very good practice in working on timing. If this is a slow song, but if the speed I'm playing at is still too fast for you, you can always use the settings cog and slow it down some more. All right, so I'm gonna start at the intro, which is just 4 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the chorus. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up in the morning, smile at the rising sun. 3 little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up in the morning, smile at the rising sun. 3 little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And there you go. Now usually you would play that chorus a couple more times on the end, but my battery was yelling at me on the camera that was running out, so I figured I would just end it there one time through. But there you go, nice, slow, even kiltered pace. If that was still too fast, like I said, use the settings cog, slow it down, but I'm gonna go in the second part of the video and spice things up just a little bit. Hey, hope you guys are enjoying this lesson so far. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and say hello below in the comments. This way I know you guys are enjoying these lessons. So if you watched the lesson video, I gave you an option to make this a little bit more of like a reggae feel by doing everything on the up strum. So that's what I'm gonna do on the second half of this little play along tutorial. So if you wanna try it the reggae version, here's your opportunity. So we're gonna start again with just that intro. Same speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and Okay, here we go to the chorus. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up in the morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs. A melody's pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet songs. A melody's pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Let's do it again, one more chorus. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And there you go. That is Three Little Birds with the reggae pattern on the up strums. Again, if you need to slow this down, use the settings cog. You can do that. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you know when I put more of these play-along videos up. YouTube is going to pop a couple more videos up over here. Hopefully you guys will go and check one of those out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in another lesson video.